Press the bell icon for all the updates. डॉक्टर हाथी यानी कि तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा के कवि कुमार आजाद की सडन डेथ ने सिर्फ उनके फैंस को ही नहीं बल्कि उनके शो के को एक्टर्स को भी सदमे में डाल दिया। सभी इस बात से शॉक थे कि हर पल मुस्कुराते रहने वाला इंसान अचानक कैसे सबको छोड़ के जा सकता है। और उनकी इन्हीं सभी बातों को याद करके तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा की टीम ने अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल पर पोस्ट की अपनी वेदनाएं। I'm still unable to fathom that he is no more with us. It's beyond shocking. He was one of the finest people around. He was exactly the same as shown on screen. He loved food and loved to eat and feed everyone. I remember how he had specially got gulab jamuns for me during my pregnancy. I'm just not able to gather myself ever since I heard of this. It's so shocking even more because he was all fine till now. It is very, very shocking for me. I'm in London for some work and I got a call from the set about this. I'm shaken up. I still can't believe that he's no more with us. Last week we were shooting together before I left for London and he was in jolly mood like always. Health-wise also he was completely fine. I couldn't believe that it was my last meeting with him. We'll be coming back after a week. He will be missed by all of us. Such a lovely personality he was. May his soul rest in peace and God give strength to his family. Bhavya Gandhi. I will hold on to this hug. Sleep in ease. Moon Datta. This is how we remember you and will always remember you. One of the cleanest soul, the most jovial, happy person who would greet everyone with a huge smile in the morning. We could hear you sing from a distance and would know that you have arrived. Someone who was just unbelievably cute with the way he spoke and a genuine well-wisher. Always a huge smile on his face no matter what. Words fail to describe what we feel today. There was not a single person on the set today who didn't have tears in their eyes. We didn't know we would be in for such a rude shock today. Still trying to come to terms with the loss, especially when we all shot a scene together yesterday. Remembering the last banter that we all had while shooting. We only have sweet memories of you that brings a smile on our faces even on this grey day. I hope you rest in peace, Hathi Bhai. You left for your heavenly abode today. You're one of the nicest soul one could have known in their life. I was lucky to know you and forever thankful to you for sharing your special Sindhi parathas with me. Too numb and shocked. Hashtag rest in peace, hashtag RIP, hashtag तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा। Well, ये तो सच है, इस बात को मान पाना काफी मुश्किल है सभी के लिए, लेकिन जिंदगी से जुड़े इस सच को चाहे ना चाहे एक्सेप्ट तो करना ही पड़ता है। वैसे आप तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा की टीम के इस इमोशनल ब्रेकडाउन को लेकर क्या कहेंगे? अपने कमेंट्स के जरिए हमें जरूर बताइए।